much. Any volunteer? Thank you,
Mushomogu gutebekanisi babekitongore icya Western College Civil Society Forum muri Bushenyi kandi mushomogu abaturage burekero kubarihire mivuyo mbururu.
There has been a lot of violence. There has been a lot of discrimination. There has been a lot of unfairness. Uganda is suffering. There is a lot of poverty.
Do we need that? Do we need people to be in parliament, being absent and sleeping when they are eating our hard-earned cash?
RDC wa district ya Bushenyi Robert Atweire ashoborera ngo ibiganiro nkebi nibihwera manonga urebekangutwa agira kutebekanisa kurunji abakaruru ko mwaka ugwe-2026 jirangu kabe akobusingye.
These discussions, they matter so much because you're not going to have a university teaching electoral politics. We learn in this sort of engagement.
Politicians, can we follow the laid down procedure and rules? So that I don't see why we should kill each other because of politics. Abakuba omunyakasese tabiza kwemerera umrishe. Abakwemera n'abantu abashema mwinobzare ni mumanyana. Why do you want to kill each other?
Muringo ngogumwe Habati Mayanja urya person wentebe ya katanu aba district y'Ibanda ayetombe itero butari buringaniza umbe kitongore icyo bururo mu ihanga abatari kwereza betsimbireho sente ziri kwingana.
One political party with a lot of money, another political party a certain catch. And the electoral commission is not bothering to ask one political party the source of that money.
Security for us, we follow the law as I have stated. The law states that whenever there is an election, you make sure you work hand in hand with police to keep law and order. Maybe there is an incident where we don't the police also sometimes take sides.
Abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe abetabira umushomogu bahire bitekateko byabo ahanshonga z'ubururu.
RDC nyenda kubagamba omwana mukusukingo of radio y'abana ni mu muzo radio stations wa FDC kwaraga bench omukaunte you counter that person with information mu bahereza information omugambire kishikire bakikaraza kugira ngo amazima garuho
Omukakara arabaze bakureta pasiporo kandi twiza tukafuna ni independence bill nitwe NRM ahabesho happy NRM neha PLU ne
yubikiri aho Apololi Kakonge urumukuru w'ikitongoreki acoborera umugashogwe biganiro nkebyo mu ihanga
nira igiprogram y'itukora tugikora mu ihanga ryona mu Uganda hano yo muri inkore mu regions zikubiri na za Uganda traditional regions za Uganda ankore Kigezitoro Bunyoro Buganda Achori Sebeyo kweyo na Karamoja so ati ebituguma turonda views abantu tukwihe mu regions kutuza national level tukoreba kweta aggregation tuziteko mu kibo kimwe tukora to synthesizing tuyihamu views zuko representing abantu babanya
Makuraga Gashakwa Olivia na Sasra wa Sky Television na Genshonga